In about 6 days, this YouTube channel right here got 67,000 views, and it paid me over $500 in ad revenue. Now, I'm aware that these numbers are not impressive, but what is impressive is the fact that this YouTube channel used to be completely dead. I mean, the last upload on this YouTube channel was on the 9th of June. That was 72 days ago, and after just posting 5 videos, it's completely blowing up. And so did this YouTube channel that with just 4 uploads, it got 281,000 views, and it paid me $1,250. Again, nothing impressive, but the point I'm trying to make is that I think I figured out how to revive a dead YouTube channel. So for those of you that are struggling to get views, you think you're shadow banned, this video might help you. But keep in mind that the information you're going to hear in this video is not confirmed. This is just what I do, right? Everyone else could say, oh, this doesn't work. Oh, it's just a theory. It was just luck. Listen, what I'm about to show you right now is what I've been doing for the last year, and it's gotten results. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Farial Ai. I've been doing YouTube automation since 2018. I've made way over $1 million with my faceless YouTube channels. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get unshadow banned, or how to revive a YouTube channel, or how to get out of a 100 red view jail, whatever you want to call it. Now, before I go into the video and start showing you the strategies, we need to know exactly what a dead YouTube channel looks like, right? You could just be posting dog videos, which is why you get low views, right? So I don't know, but I'm going to tell you exactly how to find out. So this is what we're going to do. Go to the top right profile picture of your YouTube channel, go to YouTube Studio, go to Analytics on the left, and then from here, click on Content. Now, I don't care how many views you've gotten, what your click-through rate is, or what your AVD is. What we care about here is the impressions. Now, depending on how many videos you've posted, I have no idea. We can kind of eye this. If you don't post that much, but you've been doing this longer, you can switch this to the last 90 days. So here's the rule of thumb. It's very noticeable when your channel is shadow banned. Now, for those of you that don't know what shadow ban means, shadow ban is when YouTube just doesn't recommend your videos. For some reason, YouTube just doesn't like your channel. It's not going to recommend it anywhere on YouTube, and it's going to be nearly impossible for you to get views. But anyways, if you've posted 15 videos in the last 30 days and you haven't gotten more than 100,000 impressions, again, you're going to find that right here. It's very likely that your channel is absolutely cooked. Same thing goes for those of you that posted in the last 90 days, right? The amount of uploads doesn't necessarily matter. What matters is how long the channel has been going. So in the last 90 days, I don't care how many videos you've posted. If you have not gotten more than 100,000 impressions, that channel is most likely cucked. Now, what would be considered really, really bad impressions? Anything under 10,000. Now, if you don't know what impressions are pretty much when YouTube shows your video to people. For example, if I'm scrolling on YouTube and I see a video on the right side of my recommended, that's an impression. I gave that video an impression. If I'm scrolling on my YouTube homepage, all of those videos I see as I scroll, I'm giving them impressions. But okay, let's say your channel's shadow banned, you're not getting any impressions. Here's how we're going to fix it. Number one, ask someone to create an email for you. Or if you have another device, create an email on there, right? It doesn't matter what it is. It can be on a phone, it can be on a laptop, doesn't matter. Once that email is created, you're going to go back to your YouTube Studio. You're going to go to settings here on the bottom left. Then you're going to go to permissions. On the top right, you're going to see an option that says invite. You're going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to change access to manager, and then you're going to type in the email. Then you're going to click on done and save. After that is done, you're going to go on that new email and you're going to accept the invitation. Once that is done, you're going to see it appear here. Now, this is going to invite that YouTube channel to become a manager. That means that they can upload, they can change things, they just can't physically get paid or delete the channel, but it can almost do everything that an owner can. Here's the part that sucks. Once you do this, you need to wait 7 days. Now, after 7 days, you will be able to change the role of that new email. So instead of editor, you're going to see an option here that says primary owner. You're going to click on that. Then you're going to click on save, and that new email is going to become the primary owner of your YouTube channel. By the way, at this point, you don't want to be posting. Stop all posting. I know it sucks, but you have to. Once that is done, you're going to go on that new email. You're going to go back to permissions, and you're going to remove access to that first email you started with, and you're never going to log in again. And yes, I mean, you can leave that old email there as a manager if you want. I've just never done it. Every single time that I've done this strategy, I've always removed it, and it's worked every single time. So after those 7 days are up, you are now primary owner of that new channel with a different email. You wait another 7 days. You give the channel a break to reset. So what do you do from here? Waiting 2 to 3 weeks without uploading kind of sucks, and it sounds counterproductive, but put videos in production. Start start creating videos. Whatever it is that you do, stockpile them, because we're going to give this channel one more chance, meaning that you need to prepare 20 videos, because once you do all of this, right, and you wait all of this time, you create the content, you start posting it on the channel. If you don't see a spike of impressions or views with those 20 videos, the channel is cooked and you never touch this again. Matter of fact, probably log out of it. And from here, you create a new email and you start again. But 20 videos is all it takes. But yeah, I mean, wait as long as you can. I waited 72 days on this channel, switched absolutely everything with the primary owner, and it seems like it worked. I mean, this was super fast. These were the views of the videos I was posting previously. I wasn't even breaking 100 views, which is crazy. The second I posted that new video, I got 270 views. The next one got 2,000, and then it jumped up to 80,000 views. But again, this is only what's been working for me. Now, moving on, because there's a few more things to this, and you could take this as just advice. When you're preparing the next 20 videos, you need to micro niche, right? You need to go even deeper into the niche that you're in. For example, this YouTube channel originally posted about dogs. On August 12th, when I started posting again, I was still posting about dogs, but it was about pit bulls, strictly about pittles, nothing else. You understand what I'm saying? So instead of doing, oh, Chihuahua, St. Bernards, you know, Golden Retrievers, German Shepherds, Pit Bulls, I chose one and I made 20 videos about it. Do you understand what I'm saying? When you're first starting off, you need to niche down as much as possible. You cannot be going too broad. Yes, your competitors are probably doing it. They're probably getting a ton of views, but you're not your competitors and they're not just starting off. You need to have a strategy of what it is that you're going to upload. And that sounds very broad. I'm not saying like the wording or anything. I'm just saying the topic. If you have a YouTube channel about cars where you talk about the top 10 cars to buy, focus only on SUVs. For the next 20 videos, only talk about the most luxurious SUVs to buy, the fastest SUVs to buy under 50,000. Best SUVs that are coming in 2026. You understand what I'm saying? This is just off the dome, by the way. I feel like those titles cooked. That's my best advice to you. And that might be the thing that's holding you back from success on YouTube. And the last thing, make longer videos. If you're making 5 to 6 minute long videos, it's not going to work. Very rare. I mean, in my school community, and this is where I teach people how to do YouTube automation, I've had thousands of students. I've never seen one of them succeed with a video under 8 minutes. And I know what you're probably thinking. How am I supposed to make a video longer than 6 minutes? Dude, ChatGPT, what do you mean? I promise you there's a million things you can add to it, and longer videos just perform better overall. Not only do you get a higher RPM, you get a higher average view duration, you get watch time hours faster, and it's less of a competition because YouTube, in a sense, is looking for YouTube videos to promote for people on TV, right? That's kind of like YouTube's plan. They're already competing with TikTok low-key. I guess views-wise, I believe they beat TikTok last year for YouTube Shorts, which is crazy. Now they're going for TV. The longer your videos are, and I'm talking between 15 to 25 minutes, maybe even 30, and obviously anything over that, is going to be recommended to people that watch YouTube on TV. And the people who do watch YouTube on TV most likely walk away, leave it playing in the background. So that's something you should consider. But anyways, for those of you that want to take YouTube serious and you want to make this a job like I did, you can go ahead and click the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, and that's going to take you to my community. This is where I have videos where I go in extreme detail on how to start faceless YouTube and TikTok channels. I provide you a list of niches. If you don't want, I'll appreciate a like and subscribe. We'll both go about our days. Goodbye.